Have you ever tried a cleaning hack you saw online only to realize it didn't work at all? Maybe it looked amazing in the video, but in real life, it barely made a difference. The truth is, not every viral cleaning trick actually works, but a few simple natural hacks really can make cleaning faster, easier, and surprisingly effective. Many people want a cleaner home without using strong chemicals everywhere. That's why natural cleaning hacks have become so popular. They're usually cheaper, safer for everyday use, and often use simple ingredients already sitting in your kitchen. But here's the problem. The internet is full of cleaning tips, and it's hard to know which ones are actually useful. Some are just trends that look good on camera but don't do much in real life. In this video, we're going to look at several natural cleaning hacks that people actually use every day. These are simple tricks that help remove stains, eliminate odors, and make common household cleaning tasks much easier. Let's start with one of the most famous natural cleaners, baking soda. Baking soda has been used in homes for decades because it's both gentle and effective. It's slightly gritty, which helps scrub surfaces without scratching them. One simple trick is using baking soda to clean kitchen sinks. Sprinkle a little onto a damp sponge and scrub the sink surface. It helps lift grease and food residue while also removing odors. Many people are surprised by how shiny their sink looks afterward. Another great natural cleaner is vinegar. White vinegar works well because it helps break down mineral buildup and grease. That's why many people use it to clean things like faucets, kettles, and glass surfaces. For example, if your faucet has water spots or mineral marks, soaking a cloth in vinegar and wrapping it around the faucet for a few minutes can help loosen the buildup. After wiping it away, the metal usually looks much brighter. Now let's talk about something most people deal with every day: kitchen odors. Trash cans, refrigerators, and drains can slowly collect smells over time. A simple solution is baking soda again. Sprinkling a thin layer in the bottom of a trash can helps absorb odors before they spread. You can also place a small open box of baking soda in the fridge to keep it fresh. Another natural cleaning trick uses lemon. Lemons are great for cleaning because they contain natural acids and oils. These help break down grease while leaving a fresh smell behind. For example, rubbing half a lemon over a cutting board can help remove stains and food smells like garlic or onions. After rinsing with water, the board often smells clean and fresh again. Lemons can also help clean microwave ovens. If your microwave has food splatters inside, place a bowl of water with lemon slices in it and heat it for a couple of minutes. The steam helps loosen dried foods so it wipes away easily. Next, let's talk about something people often forget to clean: sponges. Sponges collect bacteria and odors quickly because they stay damp most of the time. One easy trick is soaking a sponge in warm water with a little baking soda. This helps remove odors and refresh the sponge so it lasts longer. Another helpful hack involves cleaning stovetops. Grease splashes and cooked-on food can make stovetops look messy very quickly. A paste made from baking soda and water can help break down those tough spots. Spread the paste on the dirty area, let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe it clean with a sponge. This method works well without harsh chemicals. Now let's talk about a surprising cleaning helper: salt. Salt is slightly abrasive, which makes it useful for scrubbing certain surfaces. For example, if you have a greasy pan that's difficult to clean, sprinkling salt on the surface and scrubbing with a sponge can help lift the grease. It's a simple trick that many cooks have used for years. Another useful natural hack involves cleaning drains. Kitchen drains can slowly collect food particles and grease, which can create unpleasant smells. Pouring a few tablespoons of baking soda into the drain, followed by warm water, can help break down buildup and refresh the drain. Doing this regularly can help prevent odors before they start. One more helpful tip is keeping your kitchen smelling fresh naturally. Instead of using strong air sprays, you can simmer lemon slices or cinnamon sticks in a pot of water on the stove. As the water heats, the natural aroma spreads through the kitchen. It's a simple way to freshen the air without using artificial scents. All of these tricks use simple ingredients that many people already have at home. They don't require special tools or expensive products. But here's the most important thing most people don't realize. The real power of natural cleaning hacks isn't just the ingredients, it's using them consistently before messes become big problems. When you clean small spills quickly, deodorize trash cans regularly, and refresh surfaces often, dirt and odors don't have time to build up. That means cleaning becomes faster and much easier. In other words, the secret isn't one magic ingredient, it's simple habits combined with natural cleaners that work together. That's why many professional cleaners rely on basic items like baking soda, vinegar, lemon, and salt. These simple ingredients can handle many everyday cleaning tasks surprisingly well. Keeping your home clean doesn't always require expensive products or complicated routines. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. Natural ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, lemon, and salt can help remove stains, fight odors, and make everyday cleaning easier. With just a few small habits, you can keep your kitchen and home feeling fresh. If you found these cleaning hacks helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health and home tips that actually work. We share practical ideas that help make everyday life easier. Now we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite natural cleaning hack that you use at home? Share it in the comments below.